Hello everyone and welcome to Teams Bits. This is going to be a video about restoring a deleted channel. So let's say that this is the channel that you had deleted and you wish to restore it. So first let's delete this channel by clicking on the three dots here and then delete this channel. Delete. Now this channel is gone. So to restore a channel, if you're not one of the team owners and you're a team member of that team, it depends on the settings that that team has, whether you can restore or delete the channel or not. So if you click on the three dots of that team and then manage team, under the team's settings here, member permissions, it's where it says here, allow members to delete and restore channels. So if this is ticked, then if you're a member, you will be able to restore and delete the channel. If not, then you will need to ask one of the team owners of that team, whoever is the team owner, to restore a deleted channel. So now back to restoring a deleted channel, you will have to go in under channels here, the channels tab, expand the deleted channels here, and then select the channel that you wish to restore. If there's more restored, deleted channels here, then you will be able to see a full list of those deleted channels. So all you do is just click on restore here and then restore. And that will instantly bring back the deleted channel. Great, so that's the video about restoring channels. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.